am going to tell you about the chapter of chemistry, that is first chapter, matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings. So today's topic or subtopic you can say is states of matter, different states of matter. So we will talk about the different states of matter. As the previous class you have also studied about the different states of matter. First one is that the solid state, second is the liquid state, third is the gaseous state. It means that these three states, the materials, whatever we have around us, are in these three states mainly. Okay, so first we will discuss about the solid state. I just want to draw the figure. So first I will draw the figure and after that I will explain. So first, solid. If you will see the molecular arrangements of the solid like that, they will be closely packed like that. In this manner, the molecules will be closely packed in manner like that. Okay. All the molecules will be closer one to another. Now we will tell about the liquid state. So the molecular arrangement in the like that. They may be closer, but they have more space between them. They may have more space between them like that. You will see the molecular arrangements. Okay, so I am going to tell you now gaseous state. Gaseous state. The molecular arrangements will be like in this manner. The molecular arrangements will be apart. So, students, I want to tell you first about the solid state. Are you able to see this marker? Or another marker also I can take this. If I will keep this marker on the blackboard like that, and outline I will draw like that. I can draw the outline of this marker. It means this marker have fixed shape. It means the definite shape. Boundaries also it have. It have definite boundaries means they have boundary. It means that shape is visible. Fixed volume also it have. It have the fixed volume. If we want to measure the volume of that, so this is cylindrical, we can measure the volume of cylinder. Clear is it? Now, it means they have the fixed volume. They have fixed shape, so they have the fixed volume also. We can calculate it. Have negligible compressibility. If we compress it like that, it is not changing its shape. It is not changing its shape. मतलब ये अपना shape change नहीं करेगा. Compressibility. Sometimes कुछ materials ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम compress करेंगे, little bit compressibility they have, little bit. They will not have more compressibility, but mostly solid do not compress easily. Next is have tendency to maintain their shape. Tendency to maintain their shape. It means whatever I have told to you, जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया, that is the thing. This is in this shape. If we will compress it, press it, they will not change its shape. ये अपना shape change नहीं करेंगे. तो ये आपको clear होना चाहिए because the molecular arrangement. So now we are talking about the molecular arrangement. Why this will happen? कि ये negligible compressibility क्यों होती है? Why they have the definite shape? They have the definite boundaries, fixed volume, and the tendency to maintain their shape because the molecular arrangement of the solid. It means these are the molecules, these are the particles जिससे मिलकर बना हुआ solid, वो सारे close होते हैं. इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस बहुत कम और नेग्लिजिबल, ना के बराबर होता है. इट विल नॉट हैव. सो सॉलिड will retain its shape. Now I want to tell you about the liquid state. Liquid state, it means they do not have fixed shape. Suppose that you are taking water, maybe taking coffee or whatsoever liquid you are taking, like kerosene also, diesel, petrol, any liquid. If you will take any liquid, suppose you are taking one glass, you are filling liquid, that may be water also in the glass. It will take the shape of the glass. It will take the shape of the glass. Suppose in big beaker you are taking the liquid, so that liquid will take the shape of the big beaker. Or suppose you are spreading water here and there, so it will not have any shape. The same water will not have any definite shape, not definite boundaries. Like that, it have the boundaries. If we are keeping that marker here, we can draw the outline. But if we will place the water here or maybe on any place, we cannot mark the boundaries, so that it does not have or do not have definite boundaries. As I have told you that it will take the shape of the container in which it is kept. मतलब ये जिस कंटेनर में रखा जाएगा उसका शेप ले लेगा, जिस भी कंटेनर में रखा जाएगा उसका शेप ले लेगा. Can flow. You just pour the water on the floor. What will happen? It will start to flow from the higher to the lower region. Suppose that this is the higher region, this is the lower region. If you will pour water here, what will happen? It will start to flow here. It will start to flow here. It means it can easily flow. Next one is that not rigid. They are not rigid. That's why they are known as fluid, because easily they can flow, so that's why they are known as fluid. Not rigid. Not rigid means one example I just want to tell you. Suppose one big balloon you have and you are pouring the water in that balloon. आपने उस balloon में उस पानी को डाल दिया. Are you able to compress it? क्या उसको आप compress कर सकते हो? Yes. Easily you can compress that. So they are not rigid. कठोर नहीं होते कि नहीं उनको आप दबाएंगे तो वो अपना शेप नहीं करेंगे और बिल्कुल दबेंगे. They can easily be pressed. They can be compressed easily. They can be compressed. So that's why they are said that they are not rigid. Before starting the gaseous state, I just want to tell you about the liquid state. More about the liquid state. It means that the molecular arrangement of the liquid state. How the molecules of the liquid are arranged. You can easily see that there is the intermolecular space between the molecules of gas. Here also you can see, here also, here also, here also, but less space in comparison of the gas. They will have the less space. Now I want to tell you about the gaseous state. You have seen the gas. If you will fill the gas in the balloon, it will take the space or take the shape of that balloon. Suppose one cylinder is there, a big cylinder. If you will fill gas in that cylinder, it will take the shape of that cylinder. Suppose that a big long tunnel is there. Tunnel means tunnel-like structure in which gas can be filled. So if you will fill the gas in that, gas also can be filled and do not have fixed volume. It will not have the fixed volume. It means that when you will fill it in the container, in which container you are filling it, so it will take the shape of that container, it will have the volume of that. It will not have any visible boundaries in that. And last means that the expand to fill the container. It means they will fill in the container and they can expand, and after that can compress easily. It means that when you will fill that gas in the balloon, you can compress it very easily. Balloon can be compressed easily, or suppose that any other material if you are filling the gas, but जिस कंटेनर में वो भरा हुआ है उसको कंप्रेस होना भी जरूरी है, वो बहुत हार्ड सॉलिड का नहीं होना चाहिए एंड कैन मूव फ्रीली. अगर आप यहाँ पर गैस कोई भी जलाओगे, सपोज दैट घर में कभी कभार क्या होता है, इफ यू आर यूजिंग द एलपीजी सिलेंडर्स एंड अगर कभी उसका नॉब खुला रह जाता है तो गैस पूरे में भर जाती है. यू कैन इजीली स्मेल द गैस, सो you can say that it can move freely. So, and when we will see the molecular arrangement of the gas, you can see that large space there, large space. You can see large space. So that's why it can flow easily. So it is also known as fluid. The gaseous state is also known as fluid. So this is the subtopic which we have studied in this video. Okay, read it at home. Suppose that if you are having the problem, you may also ask the questions in the comment box. Thank you. Wait for the next video.